Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the pickup roller assembly on Samsung M2070 model. As you see, I have obtained a new assembly. First, take out the cartridge. Here you see our assembly. First we need to do is turn it around, turn the device on its bottom. Here you see two arrows. There are two screws we have to unscrew. First, and the second. Turn it around again. And open it. Now we have to take the assembly out. How to take it? Just slide it to the right. Slightly. And it will come out. This is the assembly. Now we have to replace this assembly with the new one. Let's take out the new one. Here you can see it. Rotate this white clutch here. Carefully remove the spring. And take it out. In a reverse order. Place back the new one. Lock it here. And place the spring on its place. Now we are ready to put the assembly in the printer. That's it. And finally we have to screw back the two screws on the bottom. And the second one. and we are done. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.